This is demonstrating the Xyron. This is the Xyron 505. It's an older model, but they all more or less work the same. So when you buy a Xyron, the size you buy is determined by the width of the paper that you want to put through it. This one will put 5 inches, a width, 5 inches through it. If you want to use wider paper than that, then you would need a bigger and more costly machine. So, okay, when you buy your Xyron, you also buy a cartridge of adhesive. This is the cartridge. There are 3 kinds of them. The last time I checked, you could get the adhesives in a permanent glue, you could get a temporary glue, and you could also get adhesives that would do cold laminating. So to use the Xyron, I'm going to turn it around so I can see what I'm doing. There. So let's just fix that a bit. Okay. So to use the Xyron, you insert your paper in here, and the adhesive is going to go on the back, on the bottom part. So if it's a pattern paper, keep that in mind. The adhesive goes on the bottom. So you just set it in there, then you crank the handle, and your paper comes out the other side. When it's done, there's a little blade up here that cuts it off. So I don't know how well this will show up in the camera, but it's the next step is to remove there's cellophane coating on this side, which is, oh boy, it's like those bags you get in the Safeway. Well, trust me, this there we go. This adhesive comes off the top, and the paper that you have put through is covered on this side with an adhesive. So you can now use this as a sticker or for any purpose you want, because it's thoroughly glued on the back of the product. So this is the Xyron. It's an extremely handy little machine to have. It works very well. Probably one of the easiest methods of applying adhesive that I've ever come across. The downside, it's not inexpensive to use. The machines are not that costly to purchase, but the cost of the cartridges really is substantial. So for that reason, I can't justify using this machine for anything other than special purposes. If speed is important, for example, if you were going to make a couple hundred wedding invitations or something like that, I think it would be well worth your while to use the Xyron. They are great little time savers, and that truly is the big advantage to the Xyron.